Did you know that one of the world's most reputable news organizations, Bloomberg, recently came under fire in Singapore? Stick around as we dive deep into the latest developments regarding Good Class Bungalows, GCBs, alleged falsehoods, and a major governmental pushback. You're watching 2230, where we bring you the news that matters most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while we unravel this riveting story, and tell us your thoughts in the comments. On December 23, the Singapore government issued a Protection from Online Falsehoods and Manipulation Act, POFMA, correction direction to Bloomberg, along with the Edge Singapore, the Independent Singapore, and the Online Citizen. These publications had published or commented on Bloomberg's December 12 article titled "Singapore Mansion Deals Are Increasingly Shrouded in Secrecy." But what exactly triggered this rare legal action, and what does it mean for transparency in Singapore's property market? The controversy stems from claims made by Bloomberg's article, suggesting that Singapore lacks robust transparency in anti-money laundering (AML) measures in high-value property transactions, particularly concerning GCBs. According to the Singapore government's fact-checking platform, Factually, these assertions are misleading. It turns out, Singapore has strict requirements for identity disclosure, and property transactions are meticulously regulated under an AML framework. So, why would such allegations even surface? Let's break it down further. The article argued that if caveats are not lodged, there are no publicly available records of GCB transactions. The government fired back, clarifying that detailed property ownership and transfer data are accessible through the Integrated Land Information Service, INLIS, irrespective of whether a caveat is lodged. And here's an interesting twist. Lodging a caveat is voluntary, primarily for protecting a purchaser's interest before a transaction is finalized, not for tracking transactions. But there's more to this. The government ensures strict identity verification in property purchases, including those made via trusts or companies. For trust-based transactions, solicitors are required to submit trust deeds, revealing the ultimate beneficial owners. This is all part of Singapore's AML framework, which matches global standards. So, does this seem like a system, shrouded in secrecy, to you? Let us know what you think. Adding fuel to the fire, Law and Home Affairs Minister K. Shanmugam and Manpower Minister Tan See Leng are now taking legal action against Bloomberg and other media outlets for publishing what they claim are defamatory statements regarding their property transactions. Is this a straightforward quest for justice, or does it raise questions about press freedom and accountability? Your views matter, share them below. This case not only highlights the balance between transparency and privacy but also Singapore's commitment to combating money laundering in a way few other financial hubs can boast. What do you think about the government's swift response? And more importantly, do you think the media should have more leeway in reporting or face stricter scrutiny? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Before you go, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to 2230 for more news that gets you thinking. Together, let's keep the conversation going.